My name is Charlotte Constance. I'm the founder and managing director of Conductor CX. Conductor CX is a consultancy and delivery partner providing quality assurance, customer care, maintenance, and CX strategy to residential developers, investors, and operators. Having delivered more than 100 projects on schemes representing a combined GDV of over £40 billion, we are appointed to protect quality, customer satisfaction, and our clients' commercial outcomes. On the ground, that has meant achieving 90% plus reduction in snagging levels, 100% net resident satisfaction at handover, and 98% of legal completions within 3 days. It means mobilizing a full white-labeled customer care operation in under a month and being trusted with board-level customer experience advisory in the Middle East. Grounding commercial decisions in evidence, we bring the same rigor and care to a 37-apartment prime Marylebone scheme as we do to a 6,000 multi-tenure regeneration master plan. Over half of our clients have returned to work with us again because we believe every residential project deserves to be planned out and set up properly with the customer front and center. And most of all, because we believe that after years of time, money, and planning, every project deserves to finish with a flourish.